Hello guys, welcome to my channel code&chill. In this video, we will use Gemini or ChatGPT for YouTube video creations and how you can leverage these chatbots for creating better descriptions and having keywords, titles, and create thumbnail. So which is very crucial for user engagement. And I'll show you like how I quickly did it for one of my videos. So head over to the video. So the video was about environment variable files. So how environment variables are used and how .env file is created. And this video title was given by them, by the Gemini, and also the description. So let's head over to the description part. So here is the prompt that I gave to Gemini. Make catchy title for python.env file video, description, keywords, and thumbnail. So I have listed out all the things that I need from Gemini, and it gave crisp answers like the titles can be all these things, which emphasizes on different kind of hooks, because hooks are the main thing that will attract the users. And similarly, I have it for different description, like how you should write the description and what are the main key points that you get from this video, the code snippets and everything. So this is a quite good description from the YouTube's point of view. And also the keywords, like it gave some code tags and the long tail keywords. You can put these in your description as well. And also you can keep it in your title, like this hashtag things. And after that, I asked Gemini to create a good image for this video, and it created this. Stop doing this, like sharing the secrets in your Python projects. Use the .env file to keep all tokens and API keys. So this is a pretty satisfactory, YouTube-friendly description and image. So I used the exact one for one of my videos, and I'm pretty satisfied with this. So you can use, this was a use case with the Gemini. You can similarly do it for the ChatGPT as well. So this shows like how good these chatbots have become in helping the creators create different kinds of elements for your YouTube videos, reels, and whatever whatnots. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and keep using these tools to better your coding projects. Thank you.